Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today we're checking out our new shop, so stick around. Alright, so we're here at our new shop today. We just closed on this building. Getting ready to get started doing some renovations here. This building is a 25 by 55 foot building. So nothing too huge, but ought to be big enough that we can make a nice little shop out of it. It is somewhat insulated, but we will have to do some work on that. I came in yesterday, did quite a bit of cleaning, sweeping, mowing outside. This building had been pretty neglected for about the last 10 years or so needed a good cleaning. It's definitely going to need some work on the inside here. Going to need door replaced, some electrical work done. So got my work cut out here for me for the next couple of days, but overall I think this is going to make a pretty nice shop. So they did have a ton of lights in here, a bunch of 8-foot fluorescent lights, a lot of which don't have bulbs in them right now, but hopefully we're going to be able to get a lot of those working. So give us plenty of light for whatever we're working on or shooting videos and stuff. Walking in here, they did have I guess what was an office at one point in time here. Pretty rough shape, gonna completely redo that. Get a new sink in here. I think we're gonna tear all these walls and insulation out, redo everything, make it a nice new clean bathroom. You can see some of these walls have issues with mold that's gonna have to be all torn out, redone. There's some old furniture, desk and stuff they got left here. We're gonna tear all that out. The insulation on the ceiling here seems to be pretty decent, but I do want to cover it up with something. We'll probably put some metal up over top of it, just so you're not actually looking at it, just kind of give it a nice finished look.